Welcome to Cooking with John, the cooking show where I show you half the steps of how to cook something that looks really good, powered by meats2u.com. Now today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for a simple yet delicious smoked salmon using meats2u.com's wild-caught salmon. Now I've pre-marinated this salmon in a mixture of salt, pepper, brown sugar, and soy sauce, but you could use whatever you want. Now I like to start my smoker off hot at about 200 to 250 degrees when I'm smoking my fish, and then I'll dial it down to about 140 to 130 degrees for the remainder of the time that the fish is cooking.
Damn, dude, that's pretty hot.
And I'll place my fish on the rack about 2 to 3 inches apart. I dropped this piece, so I need to brush some of the stuff off. Nobody will notice. About 2 hours into your smoke, your fish should look like this.
Hello.
This is when I'll start brushing down the fish with a mixture of apple juice and soy sauce.
Wet brush, 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 brush.
Make sure to get every
Brush,
piece.
brush, brush, brush.
After about 6 hours of smoking, this is what your fish should look like. Bye-bye out.
Oh, damn, dude, that looks really good.
Enjoy.